Hi-ho. Oh, hi there, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for the Muppets.
You're breaking my heart. Well, could you take the weight off of me?
What? Pressure. I'm in pressure.
Honey, when I knocked on your door, I gave you my key. I don't know, this red carpet is like none other I've seen. The arrivals are incredible. Lady Gaga arrived, and she arrived with Kermit the Frog.
You're so handsome tonight, Kermit.
Aw, thanks. You look lovely
Miss
yourself.
Piggy has been sending me some pretty funny text messages,
Has
though.
she really? I know
really?
she's a jealous woman.
Real, what did she say?
Well, she was wondering if it was going to be another late night.
Wow, great.
Oh, good grief.
Hey, Kermit.
Now, nothing stands between us and sunny Hawaii.
Merry humbug, everyone.
Ay, 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 ay.
What's wrong, homie?
I got the week off by telling Mr. Burns I had a neck injury. Mr. Burns, why'd you come to see me?
Well, last night I had a visit from 3 spirits.
I wish this show had a visit from 3 new writers.
35 Westerners busking, 34 something something, 33 alchemists transmuting, 32 Dutchmen plotting, 31 doctors leeching, 30-year average lifespan.
The 81st Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade.
Sing a song about sunshine.
Sing a song about taking a walk in the rain. Sing a song about daytime.
Why not sing about taking a ride on a train? Sing it sad, sing it good, sing it bad, sing it all day long. It feels good when you sing a song.
What is this, Frank Yankers? Oh.
Frank Yankers!
I have nothing.
Don't have nothing.
My wife used to drive me around, and she passed away.
I see.
Now I'm looking to learn how to drive myself.
Oh, Elaine.
Do you have 8-pound balls?
Have what?
8-pound balls.
I got a 9-pound ball, and well, I got some 8-pound balls, but they don't have any fingers
Okay,
left,
let's
but
start over.
I've got some
Let's
9
start
pound.
over. Let's start over. Say yes or no.
Oh, yes, I have 3 of them. Yeah.
Let's go on with our show. There's no business like show business, like no business I know. Everything about it is appealing.
Everything the traffic will allow.
Nowhere could you get that happy feeling when you are stealing that extra bow. There's no people like no people. They smile when they are low. Even with a turkey that you know will fold, you may be stranded out in the cold, but still you wouldn't change it for a sack of gold. Let's go!